While a prominent resident was named in that customs sting operation where 3 luxury cars were confiscated by authorities last month.
However, as Cleopatra Murphy tells us tonight, it is the handling of that matter that is causing a concern for some who say it highlights the disparities in how Bahamians are treated differently for the same violations based on color and class.
He voiced strong opposition to the introduction of value-added tax, expected to come on stream in January. Now ZNS News understands Bahamas Chamber of Commerce and Employers Confederation Chairman Robert Myers may have attempted to avoid another tax, customs duties. The co-chair of the Coalition For Responsible Taxation is the owner of one of 3 luxury vehicles confiscated by customs in mid-September. 2 of those were listed undervalued on declarations forms. We obtained documentation containing the signature of a female relative, Lisa Myers Feynman, showing that they attempted to defraud customs of $22,000 after making a false declaration on a gray 2013 Porsche Cayenne hybrid SUV that they claim was valued at $49,000. The true value of the vehicle purchased at Porsche of Colorado Springs was a larger $71,028.73. We also understand that in the trunk of the vehicle was some $3,000 to $4,000 worth of clothes and grocery that were undeclared. The coalition's website, wakeupbahamas.com, states that government should crack down on those who don't pay their taxes as an alternative to VAT. Although Customs has remained silent on the matter, a source tells ZNS News that Customs officers are upset that Myers, whose case was expedited, has already gotten the vehicle back. This they consider highly unusual. Some say he was given a slap on the wrist. Our source says under normal circumstances, Myers, who had 4 violations, would have automatically forfeited the vehicle, which would have been put up for auction and faced fines up to $40,000 due to the scale of the attempt to defraud and other charges. The source claims there are different rules at the department for the white upper class and the average Bahamian, maintaining that Myers' status allowed him to go directly to the Comptroller of Customs. They also maintain that while Customs Comptroller Charles Turner is a good person, he is not willing to ruffle any feathers when a high-ranking person calls in a favor. Myers faced potential charges of withholding an invoice, false declaration, attempt to defraud the revenue of the Customs Authority, and uncustoms goods. However, our source says Myers paid the outstanding duties on the vehicle and a fine believed to be $10,000. They say he should have been made an example of because due to his wealth, Myers would have had no problem paying the tax. In addition, after his criticism of the department and government for its failure to properly collect taxes, he should have been willing to pay his share. When contacted, Myers says he would not comment on the issue, but said the matter had been resolved. ZNS News also spoke with Comptroller of Customs Charles Turner, who offered little on the matter. Addressing the claims against him, Turner said they were ludicrous and he treats everyone equally. With regards to that mid-September seizure, Turner says details will be gazetted and made public, but could not give a time frame. He added that the matter is still under active investigation. Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.